the consolation heat
of Virginia. In the 50, we have Larry Laney of Quebec. In the 5, we have Ethan Lyons of Skowhegan. In the 88, we have Dustin Page of Madison. And in the 7, we have Dylan Adams. In the 119, we have Zach on deck. And ladies and gentlemen, that's your consolation heat. 2 of these cars will go on tonight's feature event, where they could win $1,500.
Wow, that's a good prize.
Crash of Demolition Derby. And they're going to close up the barricade, and we're going to move on to this consolation heat of the Demolition Derby. And what an exciting motorsports evening it's been. And it's just going to get better, folks. Come back tomorrow night when you can see the truck pulls here starting at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah, it's point photos again tomorrow too.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, all in attendance in the grandstand, all in attendance in the infield, I just have to ask you one thing. For this consolation heat, are you ready? Drivers,
I don't know.
are you ready?
Nope.
And we're ready. 3, 2, 1. The 61 is right there in the middle of the Demolition Derby arena. Getting in the back end smack by Larry Laney in the 50. Laney moves to the against the wall. He got the number 5. Ethan Lyons has got it. Met the wall. He got pushed up to like number 59. John and that number 59 is David Romo. Around the Demolition Derby arena. John Brown to the 59, backing up. Hitting the back of 191, Justin Arnett of Virginia. And they're piled up.
Yeah, he's right up here. Not going nowhere.
Comes around and what a hit right there. To 119, back on deck. And on deck is hit again. Laney circling around like a shark. Going right after on deck. And the lead Hall is right in the middle. And he's off right where he's out of the back of the Demolition Derby arena. The 5 getting pushed back a little bit more in the Demolition Derby arena. The 61X in the 191.
I can't move.
What's someone's going to give there in the middle of the Demolition Derby arena? Who's going to win out on this fight, folks?
I got 3 of them still able to
And they bring the
move.
car to 61X.
That one to move.
Backing up, going after the front. What a hit right there to the front end of the 88. That's Justin Page from Madison.
Okay, go again.
Taking on a little smoke there on his vehicle. He's looking moving. How putting the 191 right into the wall. And the 119 going after that 61X.
That other one's even more up against the wall.
And the 119 still left in the Demolition Derby. Consolation heat. The two cars that are still left in it. The 61X, the 119 are still left. The 191 stuck on the wall and is not going anywhere. The 5 is stuck on the wall. 50 is stuck on the wall. And the others lay motionless in the Demolition Derby arena. Harder than the cars they once were. Fancy vehicles at one time now just wrecked the metal. And the Demolition Derby arena.
Right up.
And there's a lot of smoke going on in that arena, folks. We can't see anything. The 191 making a last-ditch effort to try to get off of that wall. Trying with everything they have left. The 61X, the 191.
Them 2 are the only 2. Them 2 are still left.
Still left.
Yeah, right.
1X, Desiree Hawes. How? These also going to be followed by the 119 of Zach Gaudette. We'll be going on to tonight's feature event.
I don't know, the motor's
With a
smoking.
chance to hopefully take home $1,500.
Still going though, still moving.
And all right, ladies and gentlemen, get your 50-50 raffle tickets out because we're going to draw the winner right now. If you got a 50-50 raffle ticket, take them on out right now.
Right there.
We'll give you a couple of seconds to take those 50-50 raffle tickets on out. The winning ticket will win $415 here.
Wow, all right.
Motorsports Weekend.
All right, there you go. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye-bye.